guys, morning. It's around 11 in the morning, and I have a client that sent over his car. It's a BMW E90 323i, and car is just parked outside right now, and I have just prepared the shampoo and everything, wanting to start washing right now. I think the washing will probably take 2 hours to decontaminate because it's a 10-year-old car and it's used and the owner bought it from the used car lot. So just let me show you a brief look on the car. That's the car. So there's super amount damage. There's a haze on the surface and it's black, so all kinds of damage is super visible on the paint. So what I'm going to do for the car is I'm going to do a full correction on the paint, clean the car, decontaminate the car, remove all the tar spots and everything from the car, and then polish the paint. And then as the finishing, I'll be applying the optimum luster, which is my in-house coating, and that will give the car a really deep shine. It's not really black, it's more of a very dark blue. Not sure if you can see it on camera. Right. So let's start. I'll cue you into the cinematic sequence and check it out. Guys, so I've completed the BMW E90 and it looks fucking amazing. I shit you guys not. So I'm supposed to deliver the car to my client because he couldn't make it last night due to the rain. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the number plates back on, and then I will give the car a final wipe down, and then I will head out, drive it to my client's office and drop the car to him. So that is the end of the vlog for the BMW E90. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.